Owning a car brings a sense of freedom and convenience, but with it comes the responsibility of proper maintenance. While professional mechanics play a crucial role in keeping your vehicle in top shape, there are several essential car maintenance tasks that every owner should know. In this DI masterclass, we will explore the key aspects of maintaining your car to ensure its longevity, safety, and optimal performance. Number 1. Regular oil changes. One of the fundamental aspects of car maintenance is ensuring regular oil changes. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps cool the engine. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective, potentially leading to engine damage. Refer to your car's manual for the recommended oil change interval and choose the appropriate oil grade. The ID tip: invest in a quality oil filter wrench and an oil drain pan. Learning to change your oil can save you money and provide a deeper understanding of your car's engine health. Number 2. Tire maintenance. Proper tire maintenance is essential for both safety and fuel efficiency. Regularly check tire pressure, rotate your tires, and inspect for signs of uneven wear or damage. Adequate tire pressure ensures optimal traction and handling, while rotation promotes even tread wear. Guide tip: keep a tire pressure gauge in your car and check the pressure at least once a month. Additionally, learn to rotate your tires based on your vehicle's specifications. Number 3. Brake system inspection. Your car's brake system is critical for your safety on the road. Regularly inspect the brake pads, discs, and fluid levels. Squeaky or grinding noises, reduced braking performance, or a spongy brake pedal are signs that your brakes may need attention. The ID tip: learn to replace brake pads and discs, and keep an eye on the brake fluid level. A brake bleeding kit can help you maintain optimal brake performance. Number 4. Air filter replacement. The air filter is crucial for your engine's performance, as it prevents dirt and debris from entering the combustion chamber. A clogged air filter can reduce fuel efficiency and engine power. The ID tip: locate your air filter housing, usually near the engine, and replace the air filter according to the recommended interval in your car's manual. It's a simple task that can have a significant impact on performance. Number 5. Fluid checks. In addition to engine oil and brake fluid, regularly check other vital fluids such as transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Maintaining proper fluid levels is essential for the smooth operation of various vehicle systems. The ID tip: familiarize yourself with your car's fluid reservoir locations and learn how to check and top up fluids as needed. Number 6. Battery maintenance. A well-maintained battery is essential for starting your car reliably. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they are securely connected. If your battery is more than 3 years old, consider having it tested or replaced. The ID tip: keep a battery terminal cleaner and brush in your toolkit to remove corrosion. Learn how to safely jump-start your car in case of a dead battery. Number 7. Spark plug replacement. Number 8. Serpentine belt inspection and replacement. The serpentine belt powers various engine components, such as the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Over time, the belt can wear out, leading to potential breakdowns or damage to vital engine parts. Regularly inspect the belt for cracks, fraying, or signs of wear, and replace it if necessary. Guide tip: learn how to release tension on the belt tensioner using a wrench or tool specific to your vehicle. Keep a spare belt in your toolkit for emergencies. Number 9. Coolant system maintenance. The coolant system is essential for regulating your engine's temperature. Regularly check the coolant level and inspect hoses and connections for leaks or signs of wear. Flush and replace the coolant according to your car's maintenance schedule to prevent overheating and potential engine damage. Guide tip: use a coolant tester to check the effectiveness of your coolant and ensure it provides sufficient protection against freezing and overheating. Learn the proper procedure for safely flushing and refilling the coolant system. Number 10. Wheel alignment. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for optimal handling, tire wear, and fuel efficiency. If you notice uneven tire wear, your car pulls to one side, or the steering wheel is off-center, it may be time for a wheel alignment. Regularly check and adjust wheel alignment to prevent premature tire wear and ensure a smooth, safe ride. DI tip: While a professional alignment is recommended, you can visually inspect your tires for uneven wear and ensure they are properly inflated. If you notice any alignment issues, consult a professional for a more accurate adjustment. Mastering essential car maintenance tasks empowers you as a car owner, saving you money and ensuring your vehicle's reliability and safety. While more complex issues may require professional attention, taking a hands-on approach to routine maintenance fosters a deeper connection with your car and promotes a proactive approach to caring for your investment. So, roll up your sleeves, get familiar with your vehicle, and embark on the journey of becoming a DIY car maintenance enthusiast.